Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh, a claymore kick from out of nowhere. You got to be kidding me. Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? Oh, my God. Roman Reigns. Oh, KO by Orton. Miss John Cena. Great ball. Doing.
I can see one flaw in Carlito's.
Sunday, every man for themselves. Oh, KO!
Goodness!
And his name is John Cena. You gotta be kidding me! Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? Is he gonna deliver? Sweet. Oh, a claymore kick from out of nowhere! Cena delivering!
On the move. Going to put the finishing touches on this match.